Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to optimize your laptop for low internet. To begin, close any unnecessary applications and browser tabs to free up valuable bandwidth. Next, disable automatic updates for your operating system and all installed software. Remember to utilize offline modes for applications such as word processors and media players. Finally, download any content like videos or documents in advance whenever connection is available, saving you time later. Your web browser can be a major data hog. Enable data saver modes to significantly reduce consumption. Also, block those annoying autoplay videos and intrusive advertisements. They consume precious bandwidth. Opt for lightweight browser extensions over heavy ones, as they demand fewer resources. Regularly clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also lead to noticeably better performance, especially on a slow connection. Managing your system and applications effectively is crucial. When streaming, always adjust the quality to standard definition, usually 480 pixels, to save data. Prioritize your most essential applications in your network settings to ensure they get the bandwidth they need. For older laptops, consider a lightweight operating system or browser. Also, remember to compress large files before sending or receiving them, which can significantly reduce data usage. Maximizing your offline productivity is key when internet access is limited. Utilize cloud services that offer robust offline synchronization, allowing you to work on files without a connection. Create and edit documents using desktop applications, which function perfectly offline. Always store frequently accessed files locally on your laptop's hard drive for immediate access. Finally, plan your online tasks to complete them efficiently during brief, available connection windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.